Alright everybody, here goes the next mod that we're going to do. As mentioned, I'm going to replace these. They look pretty cool, but we've got LED, so we're going to get rid of the amber. And it's kind of cool. I don't know if you know this, but the owner's manual is kind of cool. It does show you exactly how to remove the fog lights, which we've done already. And then these are going to be the side markers. So tools needed, as you can see, a screwdriver, then a plastic panel popper to remove the cap that actually goes, that covers the hole. If you want to pause the video, you can. Here are the instructions. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, so now we're going to proceed to replacing the side marker. Okay, and then you may want to turn the wheel so you have access to the hole that pops out the side marker. So what I'm going to do is put the key in the ignition and turn the wheel, and that should give us some room, I think. And actually, let's see, I may have to turn it a little bit more.
As much as you can.
Should pop out. Yeah, see, and then pull with your left. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
All right, guys, don't be afraid. It sounds like it broke, but I think we are good. And then you'll just disconnect the connector. And then, yeah, the owner's manual didn't say to turn the wheel, but it does help, so turn the wheel. And then just make sure it faces the same side. And then for this video, we'll just do one side.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, so just remember to swap connectors and then turn and lock in.
It's a little annoying to try to turn and lock in. It's not very cooperative, but you gotta sit there and finagle with it for a little bit.
Alright.
Shut.
And then here's the connection from the car. And shut that one off. Alright, so let's give this one a go. Let's see how it looks. And then we'll get the other side done, but just so you guys can get an idea. So, there it goes. Yeah. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Man, that is very bright. Looks really good, and then it matches the fog lights. So we'll get that one popped in. And then I'll get another shot of the... Wait, well, you gotta go in... Yeah, go in this way first. There you go. And then it should... There's a clip there. Yeah, it's got a... Well, was there a clip on the other one? Try it, see if it'll go in. Just align it where it's supposed to go, and then just make sure the connector and the wires are not touching anything. There you go.
Alright.
Alright, so you just got to give it a little bit of force and pop it in, and that's all there is to it. That's perfect. You want to turn on the lights real quick? Let's see what it looks like. So now the side markers match the fog lights, and then just remember, turn the wheel to get that sucker to pop in correctly. Alright, right on. Looks like they match. Man, that looks really good. And if you're thinking about doing this mod, do it. Please like, subscribe for more content. And let me know what you're driving. I love cars.